All right, this is July 19, no, it's 20th. This is July 20th. Trade breakdown, trade recap, whatever you want to call it. Kind of messed up. I already recorded this and I had my mic off. So that is just awesome. Good job. Anyways, here is today's trade breakdown. We took a loss, but then we were able to size down to 50% and we took a solid win. Um, yeah. So coming into today, looking at Asia and London, we had a perfect AMD model. We accumulated all of Asia, stayed in this tight range here, and at London we broke out, traded up into this hourly imbalance here. ES also into this hourly imbalance, and if you look on this leg down here, this imbalance, this is the only imbalance we have in the whole leg of price action. So that's why I really liked it. Um, and yeah, so I wanted shorts obviously to come down and take out all of this low resistant down here. So market opens. We, kind of we get this push up, take out this high, tap. We're in this gap here. So I'm just looking at this point, I'm looking for confluences to just go lower. That's all I really want right now. I just want confluences to go lower and take out all of this. Unfortunately, I was looking at this on ES. And if you look at ES, we never got the fill. It's because what I was looking for was a change in the state of delivery. We had one here on this 3-minute, but we never came up and tapped it. If you look at NQ, we did right here, change in the state here, and we could have targeted all of this. That would have been a beautiful trade. Absolutely a beautiful trade. But unfortunately I missed it. And that it is what it is. You can't really do anything about it. But 10 a.m. rolls around, 10 a.m. opens. I'm like, okay, sweet. Let's try again. So 10 a.m. opens up, and this is where I take my first trade, and this is where I went wrong today. I went against my bias. Coming into all day, I had this short bias. I wanted us to, I don't think we're going to get there anymore now that we're starting to get this V shape back up. And if we take out these highs here, I think we're going to continue to go back up. But I wanted to see us come down and, get London low. Unfortunately, that didn't happen yet. I'm not sure if it will happen. But if you look here, 10 a.m. opens, we get this beautiful rejection block here. And I took it. Got a little bit of a push up. We didn't get to our break even mark though. Let me get down to the 1 minute. You can see a little bit better, but yeah. So I get filled here at 10:06, and you get a little push up, but nothing of substantial. Nothing great, which is unfortunate. It really is. But that's the price you pay whenever you go against your bias. So I'm willing to take that loss. It was only $250. That's all I risk. So coming in, we finally get that trade through. We get the true 10 a.m. trade play out that you want. So we get this 10 a.m. opens, we go up, manipulate up, and we get that trade through, and we're looking to tap and go further. So what do we have here? We got this order block here, this area of supply. We got, if you take the fib, from that high to the low, lines up pretty good with a 786 level. And what do you notice? We literally tap it perfectly and drop. We got 10 a.m. here. I was just targeting this swing low right here. I'm working out actually. Targeting that swing low there. And yeah, I actually got out a little tiny bit before it, which is a little bit unfortunate, but just wanted to lock in profits for today. And yeah, pretty clean. We came down. We started to get this rejection here, which got a little scary at first, but all in all, played out pretty nice. After that first loss, we're down about 250, so I sized down here, risking. I had 4 micros on this, risking about 130, looking for about a 1 to 4. So ending the day up $330, but just very happy to come back from that loss and just continue to trade green. And that's all that matters. It doesn't matter about the P&L or the anything flashy. What matters is you following your system and you putting the inputs in each and every day that you know you need to put in. So that's what matters the most, and that's the feeling that I'm chasing, and that's all that I truly want to chase. So, like I said, very happy with the day. Staying patient. I guess didn't really stay too patient here, but overall, very happy with the day. I would take trade again, and that is what matters. That's what matters the most. So yeah, that is today's trade breakdown. We also had multiple other plays work out very, very nicely. You got perfect, um, you know, tap of the CE here at the 10, right here. Fib lines up perfect. You could have taken it down to wherever. I'm not really sure, but good price action. It was difficult price action, but it was very easy to read price action, if that makes sense. So, but like I said, I am happy with the day. I hope everyone else finished green on the day. But that is going to do it for July 20th trade recap.